Hello, today I'm going to be taking you with me to shop at the Goodwill Retail store. I gotta be honest, I was a little bit uncomfortable walking with my phone, but I did as much as I can for you guys to show you the things that my local Goodwill store carries and at what price they price the items, which sometimes could be a little outrageous, and you gotta pass up on the items because there's absolutely no profit for you when you try to sell them. Some items were decent, and I picked them up. I'll be sure. These girls' Keen sandals were $12.99, and I picked them up to purchase them to resell them, but then because they were in really good condition, but then I took them out because they don't sell for very much, and I just didn't want to hold on to them for too long. Obviously I wanted to make a profit, so I put them back. These Vince Camuto booties were $14.99, which is a little bit crazy. With these Born Combat boots, I believe it was like a size 9. They were asking for $24.99, and they usually sell for about $35 on eBay, so I did not take them. I did pick up these New Balance Fresh Foam shoes for myself. $12.99. I figured why not? Why not add another running pair to my closet? If I do decide to sell them, this I can probably make $40, ranging from the prices I found on eBay unsold. These Blondo boots were $24.99. I didn't pick them up because I didn't feel like paying that much money for something to resell. I thought these UGG boots, wedge boots, were really cute. $12.99. They don't sell very well on eBay. I almost got them for myself, but they were too narrow, so I had to set them back. Look at these 4+ inch platform heels. Who can wear them? Anybody? Leave me a comment if you can wear these heels. $14.99 for no brand. Great. All this mess that kids made, wow. These were really cool Bowleys snowboarding goggles, but I didn't get them because they're like $25 on Amazon. So I like to stroll down aisles of home goods just to kind of see if I find anything cool. They had a lot of Christmas decor out, so if you're interested in shopping early for Christmas, check out your local stores. In the kitchen aisle, I found these Belgique 2-pot set that I'll talk to you a little bit later at the end of the video about, and I'll show you some good ROI on it. I usually like to stroll the aisles, the kitchen aisles. Sometimes you can find really good items that you never knew you wanted, I guess. I thought this little cast iron mini was super adorable. I don't know what you would have or cook in it. It did have a little chip, and I think they wanted $2.99 for it, so that was adorable. I always look at the mug and glass section. I love adorable coffee mugs, even clear ones. These were cute but very small. This one was nice with penguins on it, but I almost bought it, but I saw some that were kind of paint peeling away, so I put it done. Relax mug. I don't know, is it still a thing? Are people still collecting it? Is it popular? I don't know. Let me know in the comments because I have no clue. I was never a big fan of her mugs. So these are the New Balances that I got, and Stylus Fresh Foam, a very popular design. I got these for myself. I'm gonna give them a good stain treatment, put them in the wash, give them a good clean, and I got them for $12.99. Really nice. They weren't used too much, so I'm gonna really enjoy them. Maybe sometime in the future I'm gonna resell. I did pick up this long black scarf for $3.99. And I'm going to be using it for myself after I wash it. I want to show you the brand. Nothing fancy, Cintas, and it's 100% rayon, so really like it. It's soft. I don't like wool because it's itchy and ooh, I just don't like it, but this one feels really, really nice. It's going to keep my neck warm. I also got this Wander. This is, I believe I paid $3.99 for it, and this is a travel pillow. I was actually looking for something similar like this. It matches my shirt. Something similar for traveling because I cannot find a good neck pillow for sleeping. But this is cool. I'm not going to put it on because I need to wash it first. But I guess it wraps around your neck and keeps your neck nice and firm so it doesn't fall to the sides. Yeah, you can take it off with the zipper. Nice memory foam material. I've seen these on Amazon. So I'm going to have to try it out and see if it's good enough. So here are the Belgique pots that I got. I've never heard of this brand. This is how it's spelled, Belgique. Oh, you saw my camera and everything on there. $6.99, but I am actually gonna sell them on my local marketplace as a set. This is how they look like inside. Really, really nice. Not heavily used, but this is a great size. I'm not keeping it for myself because I have enough pots and pans, and this is the larger one. This could be like a stock pot or something like that, and I think this one was $9.99. It's a little bit bigger, but really nice quality. Like, it's not heavily used, no big scratches. So yeah, I'm curious how much I can get for them as a set, but I do want to show you the pictures of so this is a 3 set that sold for $99, pre-owned. And then there's a $29.99 similar to what I have, but mine's are a little bit bigger, and mine are used. This one is $34 for stainless steel. So you basically get the idea. They're not too cheap and not too expensive either. So I'll sell them as a set. Hopefully they do good. And thanks for watching and hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Come back anytime.